Are you craving for jjajangmyeon, but the only thing you have is this JjaJangMyeon Instant Ramen? Well, today I'm going to show you how to turn this into this gourmet tasting jjajangmyeon ramen that does not taste like instant ramen. And I'm going to share all my tips and tricks to turn this into a delicious jjajangmyeon ramen that tastes almost as good as the real deal jjajangmyeon noodle dish. 오늘의 레시피, 아주 맛있고 간단한 짜장면 라면 만들기. 오늘도 여러분들과 영으로 함께 하겠습니다. Bon appetit, everyone. I am so happy right now. I'm gonna turn off the camera and inhale this. I literally will. Hi everyone, this is Helen and welcome to Modern Pepper. 안녕하세요, Modern Pepper의 헬렌입니다. The ingredient list is also available in the description box below. Now, when it comes to jjajangmyeon ramen, 짜파게티 is the most popular one, but I'm going to recommend that you check out Paldo 짜장면 ramen. This one comes with a wet sauce packet, and let me tell you, it's just bar none compared to the 짜파게티 that comes in a powder form. But I want to caution my viewers, Paldo makes two kinds of jjajangmyeon ramen. The one that I recommend is this one because the other one, as much as the packaging looks almost identical, has so much sugar. It is sweet. Jjajangmyeon is not supposed to be sweet. I am not sponsored by anyone whatsoever. It's my honest opinion of Paldo 짜장면 ramen, which I love. If you go to a Korean market, pick up Paldo 짜장면 ramen that looks like this, and also you could order this online and I'll have the links below. Here are the ingredients that we need to make our JjaJangMyeon Instant Ramen extra delicious. So the two must-have ingredients are 1/4 of a medium-sized onion chopped up, 1 scallion minced, and the rest are optional. So here I have 1 slice of ham chopped up. You could use turkey slice. Vegan friends use tofu bacon or smoked tofu. And I have 2 tablespoons of frozen peas. And we have our zucchini, calabaza, Mexican gray, squash. These are also called ehobak in Korean. And we need about 150 grams-ish. You could just use half the amount as well. And we're gonna cut the squash into big chunks. Set your stove heat to high. Place your saute pan and let it preheat for about a minute or 2. In a small pot, fill with water about halfway and have it boiled and ready so that we could cook our ramen noodles in a few minutes. Once our frying pan is preheated, we want to add about a tablespoon of oil, like so. Then quickly add the onions and the scallions. And to this, we're gonna add 1 pinch of salt, some black pepper, and then move it around. Your heat remains at high, and we're just gonna quickly sweat out our onions for about a good minute. And then we're gonna add our ham and zucchini cubes, and then we're gonna saute this on high heat again for 1 minute. And then a minute later, I want you to push everything to one side. Your heat is still remaining at high. And then we're gonna add half a tablespoon of soy sauce, Korean soy sauce. Let it kind of sizzle and burn. This just adds a nice caramelized taste to our jjajang sauce. And we're gonna saute this again for literally like 15 seconds. And then what we wanna do next is lower our heat to medium. Then from our boiling pot of water, we're gonna take half a cup of hot water and pour it in here. Ooh. Oh, it smells so good in here. For now, we're gonna turn down our heat to low setting. Mine's at simmering. Now we're gonna add our ramen noodles. Your heat remains at high and we want to just push down our noodles like that. And we're just going to cook this for less than a minute and a half. All right, so it's been a minute and a half, and it's important that you don't overcook your ramen noodles because we're going to still cook them in our sauce. So what we're going to do next is bring this over here, and we're going to quickly add our noodles. So our saucepan is now at high heat, okay? This is gonna go real quick. So we're gonna put our noodles in here. Make sure to scoop up any noodles at the bottom. And then quickly, we're gonna take a 1/4 cup of this starch water, add it to our sauce. And then we're gonna add our frozen peas. Then quickly, we're gonna add our jjajang sauce now. Fold it in half and squeeze everything out. Just mix everything around so the sauce and the vegetables and the noodles literally just become one. I mean, if you wanted a little bit more saucy, you could add another 1/4 cup of the ramen broth. And this is done. Like, you just mix this around for 30 seconds and it's done. So we're gonna turn the heat off and quickly transfer this to a bowl so your noodles don't get bloated, and then eat it ASAP. Oh, look how delicious that looks. If you are a fan of the real deal JjaJangMyeon noodle dish, aka black bean sauce noodles, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell, because on Friday, I'm gonna show you how to make the real deal JjaJangMyeon noodle dish that we all love. So if you're seeing this after Friday, the video will be linked in the description box below. See you there. So when it comes to instant ramen, you gotta eat it right away. The longer you wait, the noodles get bloated and kind of too soggy. Oh, I mean, this is almost as good as the real jjajangmyeon, you know? All right, so before I dive into having the noodles, what I like to do is go for the vegetables. The zucchini is still slightly crunchy because we didn't overcook it. And then the ham, and of course, sweet caramelized onions, drenched in our jjajangmyeon sauce. So excited to eat this. All right, so before we do anything else, I have to wear a bib. If I don't wear this, I splatter myself with the black bean sauce. Bon appetit, everyone. It just like melts in your mouth, delicious vegetable taste with that jjajangmyeon sauce that we all love. Oh, it's so comforting and it's so addictive. As I said before, you just gotta eat the noodles as soon as it's done because it will get bloated. So I'm gonna show you a handy trick. So just so that it helps you, I'm gonna use my spoon as a backup aid, shoveling aid. It is absolutely okay to slurp your noodles in Korean cuisine. Just don't be obnoxious about it, that's all. So for me, always need to have kimchi with my Korean ramen. It's just a must. Makes it 100 times better. Ooh, that's a mouthful. Bon appetit, everyone. Again, this time with kimchi. I am so happy right now. I'm gonna turn off the camera and inhale this. I literally will. Oh wow, that is just so good. So yummy, and it doesn't taste like instant ramen. If you make it the way I just showed you, pretty darn good, that's all I gotta say. I want to thank everyone for watching today, and if you enjoyed watching today's video, as always, I would greatly appreciate it if you would click on that thumbs up icon. Doing so supports my channel tremendously, so I want to thank you in advance, and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you and I can make more Korean dishes together. 여러분 오늘 재밌게 보셨으면 꼭 좋아하는 버튼과 구독 버튼도 눌러주세요. 감사합니다. 다음 비디오에서 꼭 뵙겠습니다. Alright folks, I will see you in one of my videos right here.